Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Helpful Ninja. Today was the big day. It was Shy Ninja's season performance and she was all out of sorts. But then, out of the corner of her eye, she saw her friends. You're gonna do great. It was Helpful Ninja, Inventor Ninja, and Money Ninja. They were carrying a banner that said, You're going to do great. Helpful Ninja had planned it all for the day before. She had a knack for making people feel special. She was the type of ninja that would give up her Taylor Swift concert ticket just so you could go. Until one day she didn't feel like helping. Not mean, just not as helpful and giving as she usually was. She felt tired. Do you know what's wrong with her? I don't know. Question mark. Neither did her friends. Inventor Ninja came over and conducted a special remedy. Nope, that didn't work. Money Ninja said, Here, you can have my piggy bank. Nope, that did not work. Shy Ninja tried to help and did the latest dance challenge for her, but that didn't work either. Then Earth Ninja came over. Let's try doing the things you love. She brought some goodies and declared that all Helpful Ninja needed was time for herself. They listened to music and goofed around. They took a nature walk and spent time outside. Finally, they finished off the evening, cooked Helpful Ninja's favorite pasta dish. Afterwards, she was feeling much like her old self again and thanked her friend. You reminded me that I have to be kind to myself. You are welcome, and that's what friends are for. Remember to guard your kind heart with plenty of self-love. You can't pour from an empty cup. So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!